Hi, my name is Taylor, and today I'm going to show you how to create a maintenance reminder within TenantCloud. TenantCloud makes it easy to set a reminder for those quarterly furnace filter changes, daily pool maintenance, scheduled appliance installations, or any other reason you may need. First, click on the Maintenance tab from the left side menu. Select Reminders from the drop-down in the top left of the screen, or click Reminders from under the Maintenance tab. Here, you will see a list of all the reminders you have created. You are able to edit or delete these already created reminders. To create a new reminder, click the Add Reminder button in the top right. Next, select the property. Select a subcategory and a main category, issue, and sub-issue. Here, you can assign a priority status for the reminder, a service date, and schedule the frequency of the maintenance reminder. Add a detailed description of the work that is needed and click Create to finish. And that's how easy it is to create a recurring maintenance reminder within TenantCloud. To start managing your rental properties for free with simplicity and ease, just go to www.tenantcloud.com or click the link below in the description and sign up today.